Hello and welcome to Shopify tutorial series. This is Kamrul and today I am going to show you how to enable customer login account in your Shopify store and show the login icon in the store header. So let's get started. First of all, log in your Shopify admin panel and go to the settings. Click on the settings and click on customer accounts. After that, from the customer accounts, click on the edit and check the show login link in the header of online store and at checkout. So check this link and now choose the version, which version of customer accounts to use. New customer accounts and classic customer accounts. So I just select new customer accounts. You can check anyone. So just then click save and now visit your store. You will see this customer login icon show in your store. So let's click on it and it's working perfectly. So thanks for watching this video.